Here at White Horse Plastics, we understand that the success of your business is closely linked to the performance of your supply chain. That's why we take great pains to make sure that every order that you place with us is manufactured, assembled, packaged and shipped in a timely and effective fashion. My name's Frank Crawley. I work at White Horse Plastics and I'm the production manager. We know just how frustrating it can be when your customer demands fluctuate and how important it is to respond, and yet too much inventory in your system can tie up your working capital and stifle cash flow. So we are proud of our just-in-time and Kanban-driven production systems. They allow us to react with speed and flexibility to your changing needs and schedules. Communication is key throughout our manufacturing process. We do this to minimise uncertainty and ensure right first time for your products. Each and every day's production at White Horse Plastics is assessed afresh in the light of the past 24 hours. Each morning, all of our customers' orders are discussed in order to ensure optimisation of the process. We also make sure to manage your inventory in order to increase efficiency and lower your costs. We run over 30 moulding machines at White Horse Plastics. Moulding your product, however, is just the beginning of the process. Processes can include assembly, finishing, packaging and printing, tracking and tracing. You have many options to mix and match our capabilities according to the level of service your business needs, scheduling and preparing all factors so that your product reaches its destination right on time. We have over 40 years of experience tackling the most challenging aspects of technical moulding whilst getting products to our customers on time. Whenever you place an order with us, we are really proud to be able to say that you can do so with complete confidence.